You want to come over here? Come on. What's wrong? I think you'll like the boat. She's not so sure about it right now. That's my girl. Now you're checking it out. Yeah. That's it. Yeah. Look at that. Now you're exploring. That's my girl. Just had to give you all clear, huh? Huh? Yeah. You can be a little boat and pup, huh? A little boat and pup. You're so cute. Are you exploring? What's up there? What's up there? What's up there? You know, all the way around the back? All the way around the back of the boat? Are you going all the way around the back of the boat? That's my little pumpkin. That's my little pumpkin. Yeah, what's down there? What's down there? What's down there? You're so beautiful. You're so beautiful. You're so beautiful. Yes, you are. Thank you. Give me little kisses. Are you giving me little kisses? You're giving me kisses. You're so beautiful. Oh, you still want those loves. You want all the loves. I see that pumpkin. Little